I'm just here to say that my Revenant Tier 7 journey was very long. And to end it off, I have collected all the drops I've gotten from the Tier 4s it took me to get to Revenant Tier 7. I've not included any Foul Flesh or Revenant Flesh, obviously, because that would take too long and I don't have the storage for that. So, here it is in my second backpack slot. On my journey, I've obviously gotten a Revenant Minion, a Beheaded Horror, 11 Pestilence Runes I tried to fuse and actually succeeded, 5 Revenant Catalysts, and 2 Undead Catalysts. And that'll be it. Thank you for watching. Please consider liking and subscribing, and we'll see you in the next video.